this is a security wire. This wire, in case the fan fall, this will hold on to the fan. This is the wire. This is the earth, and here is the live and neutral. Over here, this is the rubber. On the ceiling, there's a hook, and this is where it holds the fan, like so. So you need to put it into the hook so that it holds the fan. It's like a 3-pin plug socket. You have to remove the pin here to take out the screw. Unscrew the top, no need to unscrew the bottom, because you need to hook this to the ring, and to get inside you need to remove the screw. You have the nut, then you have the ring. This is an elevated ring. Then you have another one. Know the position, know the sequence. And then take this out. So now what I need to do is put it onto the ceiling with the metal inside, put back the rubber, and it won't fall. You need to put in the safety pin. It's such that the screw doesn't turn. Sometimes the vibration and makes the screw turn when the ceiling fan is operating. Done. I have turned on the power, so this is a test pen. I'm going to test if there's a reading on my test pen. This is a live, so I'm going to turn it off. The power is off. Even though there are still a little bit of reading, that's fine. Never touch the live and neutral together, because even though your power is not on, it may trip the main fuse. Okay, that's pretty secure. Okay, now I want to take a look at the regulator to see what it looks like. Okay. I'm not able to fit it in. If I don't fit it in, I need to drill, so which is not what I want. If I can fit it in, I don't need to change.
要关注我的视频，点击
subscribe。